So yesterday I shaved, there's Snorlax in the background, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to start your fitness journey. What's going on, guys? It's Jay again from Fitness Engineered, and today I wanted to bring you guys a video on how you can start your fitness journey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share 3 very simple things you can do to get started this week, and then next week I'll make another video of what to do to follow up. And the whole reason I'm doing this is, especially around New Year's, the beginning of summer, people always have these goals that they want to get super fit, get their beach body, get their dream body, whatever. And they rush to sign up for the gym, buy a bunch of workout gear, change up their whole meal plan, and it sounds pretty cool in theory and only lasts like 2 or 3 weeks, and then they kind of burn out. So what I want to do is give you a couple of tips on how to make that gradual progression. So the very first one is about your workout life. And if you're watching this, you probably don't work out a whole lot and you're trying to get into it. So my advice to you is to actually not go sign up for the gym right now. Finish this video. If you feel like doing push-ups or whatever, fine. But what I really want you to do is go for a walk today. Doesn't have to be long, 10, 15, 20 minutes, just go outside. It's a nice day out, it's the middle of August. Just go for a quick walk, because odds are your cardio's probably pretty bad and you haven't done a whole lot of fitness. And it's not this super exhausting, strenuous thing, and just about anyone can go out and do it. So I think that's a great way to start to build up your habit of going out to work out. And as you start to do that more often and start to build up a little bit of a sweat, then you can start to go out and start doing full workouts. So my next 2 tips are about your diet and your intake, which if you watch my video on why you're not losing weight, you'll know that for the entire life of this channel, I will be a broken record about intake, because it is literally 80% of what makes fit people fit. Working out is only 20% of the journey. Your diet is the other 80%. So there's no way you can outwork a bad diet. So my tip there is, for this week, just change one thing about one meal. Keep your breakfast, your lunch, whatever you want the same, and then let's say for dinner, make one minor adjustment to it. Let's say take out some of the salad dressing or take away the soda from it and add some veggies. Do something health conscious that's going to change that just a little bit. And then in the next week, change it a little bit more, then a little bit more, and then a little bit more, so that a month and a half, 2 months down the line, you're starting to fully eat clean, and it won't feel like you're making this cold turkey decision and changing everything. This way you get to stay consistent with it and not quit so quick. And going off of the diet changes, one thing I really want you to start doing is hop online, pick your favorite fitness app. Chronometer, I've already shown you how to use if you want to use that, but start logging your intake, because odds are you are eating a lot more than you actually think you are. If you think you're eating 2,300 calories, you're probably actually taking in like 2,700 to 2,800. So I encourage and I urge you to hop online, download an app, whatever you want. Just start tracking your calories, your macros, and that'll help you figure out where you can start to change your diet and your intake. Okay, so if you've been with me this whole time, let's recap what we learned today. So first thing I want you to do this week is start going for walks. Every day, just set aside 10-15 minutes. I know you've got the time, especially if you sat here and watched this video. That means you had at least 5 minutes to kill. So go outside, take a nice quick little stroll, and burn off a few calories. Second thing, change one thing about one meal. Add some veggies, take away some sugar, whatever it is, just change something. And then third, like I've been saying all the time, track your calories. Go online, download an app. I've said it 8 times this video already. Start tracking. Anyways, if you learned something today, if any of this was helpful, leave me a like, hit the subscribe button, tap that little bell thing so you know when I'm making videos, and I do this pretty much every day. So if you want to stay up to date, do that, and I'll see you guys next time.